Welcome, bird enthusiasts, to a world where feathers meet the bizarre. Today, we embark on a journey to discover the 10 strangest birds on the planet, each boasting unique features that set them apart from the ordinary. Number 10. Tufted Puffin. The tufted puffin is a surface diving seabird acclimated to the colder waters of the North Pacific. It's the largest of all the puffin species and breeds between northwestern Alaska down through central California. The tufted puffin's golden plumes only appear during mating season. When this species is ready for nesting, they burrow into the edges of cliffs. Number 9. Helmeted Hornbill. Primarily found in the Malay Peninsula, Sumatra, Borneo, Thailand, and Myanmar, the helmeted hornbill mostly munches on strangler figs and breeds just once a year, producing a single chick. We'll concede that this large bird looks a smidge like a rooster and a toucan had a love child, bringing together standout features like an elongated yellow beak, wrinkly throat patch, and a massive casque at the top of the head, which explains its name. Number 8. Vulturine Guineafowl. The vulturine guineafowl is also known as the royal guineafowl and follows a diet that consists of seeds, rodents, small reptiles, insects, plus vegetation and fruits on occasion. This bird is native to East tropical African countries like Ethiopia and Kenya and thrives in dry desert conditions. The species is a fast runner and has the ability to fly, although it rarely does, save for when it needs to reach its roosting perch. Number 7. Marabou Stork. Take one look at the African marabou stork, and it's plain to see this big bird is funky. From its hollow leg bones and toe bones to its bald head and the male's large air sacs, this thing comes in at a hulking 5 feet tall, with a wingspan of over 8.5 feet. The marabou's most peculiar feature is that large air sac, a red pouch that hangs from its neck. Males use it for courting purposes to woo a mate, just as other colorful birds, like peacocks, do. Number 6. Spectacled Eider. The spectacled eider gets its name from the markings around its eyes that make it look like it's wearing glasses. This Arctic seabird is built to handle cold temperatures and thrives in the tundra, as well as western Alaska, where its main breeding ground lies. The spectacled eider's diet consists mostly of mollusks, but when summer rolls around, these birds have been known to munch on grass and berries. Number 5. Golden Pheasant. The golden pheasant is native to central and southern China. It's also known as the Chinese pheasant, where the people believe that seeing one indicates good luck and fortune and features an eye-catching array of colors and patterns. These little guys are omnivores whose diets consist of soft bamboo shoots, insects, berries, seeds, and flowers. They stay relatively small, usually maxing out at 1.2 pounds. Number 4. Andean Cock of the Rock. The Andean cock of the rock is Peru's national bird. These guys are native to South America and are usually found in tropical areas such as the rocky regions in the rainforests where they like to build their nests. The birds are easy to spot thanks to their bright coloring and the crest on their heads. You can tell the females apart from the males because the female's crest and coloring are duller and less intense than what's seen on males. Number 3. Magnificent Frigate-bird. Frigate-birds are a family of blackbirds who have giant beaks and whose males all have gigantic gular pouches. The 6 species cover a handful of superlatives: magnificent, great, and lesser. Along with the Christmas and Ascension frigate-birds, the magnificent frigate-bird lives up to its description, owing to the fact that it has a giant bright red gular pouch taking up a large portion of its body. Number 2. Kakapo. The kakapo is a critically endangered flightless parrot native to New Zealand. They're hefty boys, the heaviest of any parrot species. Even so, the birds are adept climbers, using their wings to balance as they jump between branches. The kakapo lives a mostly nocturnal life, sniffing out food with its well-adapted olfactory senses, but suffering from poor eyesight. The species was driven to the brink primarily by rats and dogs brought in by human settlers. Number 1. Watsine. The Watsine has a distinctive plumage, but an even more distinctive smell, which has given this Amazonian native the nickname skunk bird. This is because the bird's herbivorous diet leaves it digesting leaves and plants like a cow. The smell also seems to repel would-be predators, including humans. The bird's call also sounds a bit like a crow with a cold. Its place on the bird family tree isn't well known, as it seems to be its only close relative. Like and subscribed. Thanks for watching.